Oh, my hands are so cold. All right. Check out that eagle. A bunch of pink salmon right there. Look at that. I think I made it to the lake that feeds the river. Now it's hard to see with all this fog, but there's an enormous glacier falling into this lake somewhere over there. I just gotta see if I can find a way through all this ice. Oh, that'll buff out. I gotta be careful going in between these icebergs. Some of these weigh more than buildings, and as the tide goes up and down, they're gonna shift and move around. This clear water can disappear, or worse yet, you can get squished in between two big icebergs. This place is just full of seals and sea otters. I've seen like 20 of them. This ice pack goes on forever. Ice that comes from the bottom of the glacier is super compressed and has that really cool blue color. The fog lifted and I can see the face of the glacier. The tide switches in about an hour and a half, and it's taken me 3 hours to get here, so I better get heading back.